Oh shit. Oh damn. Oh man. Shit. That's an outdoor plug. We'll be fine. It's kind of cold out here. Well, they said the tornado warnings was for Polk County. That's Bolivar, I think. At least tornado's not coming at 1 o'clock in the freaking morning. Oh shit, what was that? Was that lightning? Was that the flash? Scootie, come and get you, baby. Scootie. Oh shit, I gotta come get you, baby. Hold on. I'll come get you, hold on. I got little Trixie. Hold on. Oh, sorry, baby. I got you, baby. I'm gonna come get Scootie. Your girlfriend. Hold on.